Iceberg apologizes to Juliet Ibrahim for cheating. New York City-born Nigerian rapper Iceberg Slim, whose real name is Olusegun Olowokere, apologizes to his Nollywood actress ex-girlfriend Juliet Ibrahim in a lengthy note. Nigerian rapper Iceberg Slim, who broke up with the popular Ghanaian actress and screen goddess Juliet Ibrahim after accusing her of being a toxic person, took to his Instagram page on Tuesday, 15th of August 2019, to render a public apology to her, saying he has failed her. Popular Ghanaian actress Juliet Ibrahim's ex-boyfriend, Iceberg Slim, has taken to Instagram to issue a public apology to the actress a year after their breakup. Iceberg Slim shared the lengthy apology note in a post on his Instagram page. In his apology, he revealed his wrongdoings and asked that the actress forgive him for all he did to her, and that despite everything he did to her, she found a way to rise and smile above it all. Iceberg Slim revealed that he cheated and lied to her, even though all she wanted and expected of him was honesty. He stated that she loved him unconditionally, even when he was at his lowest point. He said, "Dear Juliet Ibrahim, thank you for everything. You loved me unconditionally even at my lowest point and only wanted loyalty and honesty in return. Unfortunately, I have failed you with everyone else that has seen our relationship and wished us well. Despite the pain and heartache I have caused you, you still found a way to rise and smile again. I lied, I cheated, I took your love for granted and in turn brought ridicule and shame to you. From the bottom of my heart, I apologize. Why now, you may ask? In life, sometimes you have to reveal in order to heal. And as I have revealed the true reason for our breakup, healing comes next. As we continue on our separate paths, I pray for God's guidance." For more of this juicy entertainment news, kindly log on to our website at www.broadwaytv.tv and on Instagram at officialbroadwaytv. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Broadway Africa.